shot at. All I want to hear are your answers. How'd you feel about your comrades dying?
It's whatever.
I thought, oh, they're all dead now.
Do either of you want revenge?
That ain't my scene. Shit's super depressing.
Verily.
Humans or devils? Which side are you on?
The side that's gonna take the best care of me.
The one that's winning.
Know what you just got? Perfect scores.
Huh?
Types like you two are few and far between. This is great. I love it.
Scary.
I'm a public safety hunter from Special Division 1. I get a real kick out of being called Master, so that's how you're gonna refer to me. Hobbies include drinking booze, getting ladies, and making devils dead.
Huh?